Here's a setup, final setup of the air compressor. Sorry I'm whispering because it's super late. It's like 3 in the morning. There it is. Let's see, we'll tuck this thing in here. The hose does reach all tires. So there's a plate down here. So it's hardwired. The fuse is right there. So you can see there's a spot down here. This engine bay is super tight. I have cruise control, AC system. I didn't want to lose the washer fluid as you mentioned earlier. And I was looking around and I was like, what's that thing right there? Or what's that spot? Wow, looks like a compressor spot for me. Or probably a battery tray or something. Like auxiliary battery tray. But